I ain't tryna mess it up, and I ain't tryna put no stress on you, but I gotta confess, girl, I think I'm in love. I love her, she do what she do, what she do, what she doing to me, yeah. Baby, don't stop, we take it to the top, I suggest you and me, yeah. No, I ain't tryna mess it up, and I ain't tryna put no stress on you, but I gotta.
We are doing my wall. Looks like this lighting. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. So I took the nails and I literally just hammered them in the wall in random places. Don't worry about the placement because you're going to be dragging the string in random places however you want, unless you do want to make something. Also, be sure to make sure that you're keeping the string tight as you're wrapping it around the nails, because it will just like fall. You don't want to get far and then it all loosens up. You're going to be pissed. Trust me. Okay.
Free New School. Free Rico. Look. Who running? Phone to pull up, they're like, who did it? Come in this bitch, I get silly, we smack with Glizzy on Dio, but who did it? These niggas see bitches, keep finding they move, I tell Shorty he can come and get it. Come to the school whenever I want, my PO trip because he said tennis. Move too fast, we got a chopper, we fed him down, now you see him limping. My bitch keep before this, she running my sides, you run up on me, she gon' leave you limping. Sipping on lean, my mind be leaning, my cup going, so I'm really sipping. Refer keep 30, he running my sides, you know more happy, yeah, with it. Niggas see bitches, keep T4 1, we run his pockets, that's to see with it. Keep 50 on me, keep Glizzy on him, got a couple hundred, so I'm not trying to spend it. Who is dude looking on his ass, he gon' hop him down if he gotta finish. Luke Mill, he be out of sale, got the 40 on the minutes, could be standing. My bitch bag, yes, a yellow thick as shit, remember I was just trying to hit it. Now a nigga got some money, niggas steady wolfing, but they know I'm independent. A nigga won't walk, we gon' shoot at it's only a couple shots just to see with it. These niggas be hoes, I know how they coming, they coming like they ain't really living. Who running? Who did it? Rival shooting? He finished. Larry get money, bitch, we winning. Sell a free all the pots where he's getting on the strip with them niggas that's real official. If it's giving 400, so JB get him. Got a couple of niggas that get it with you. If I'm calling Lil Tally Dre on the mission, 50 guys in the soda, old Tally missing me. If he thinking I'm flipping, that nigga tripping. Bitch, I throw up the beats for Booker sipping. Keep controlling my stick and that bitch kicking. Yeah, I hop in the car, she like dummy whipping. Yeah, my mama with me to wake up and listen. See, I ain't shit to walk up a Beckham. Niggas crying on the new CS, brother picture. Our Smitty guy hit up, he didn't listen. Yeah, they dissing for 30, they think it's chicken on the fork. Up free, so they better listen. Now the king will be out with like 7 blickers. Free my nigga Latucci. I swear I miss him easy cause of the shit that I couldn't miss. L.
All of this hard work, I did it by myself. Most of them legs, yeah, I hit them by myself. You left me on my own, gotta get it by myself. Shit made me realize I never.
See, I'ma turn my dreams into reality, cause we had to overcome so much poverty. Know a lot of niggas that be mad at me, cause they wanna see me down, see the bad in me. All of this hard work, I did it by myself. Most of them legs, yeah, I hit them by myself. You left me on my own, gotta get it by myself. Shit made me realize I never needed your help. See, I'ma turn my dreams into reality, cause we had to overcome so much poverty. Know a lot of niggas that be mad at me, cause they wanna see me down, see the bad in me. All of this hard work, I did it by myself. Most of them legs, yeah, I hit them by myself. You left me on my own, gotta get it by myself. Shit made me realize I never needed your help. You start getting money, watch all these niggas change. I'm tryna stay focused and create my own lane. You wanna see me down, see me broke, that's a shame. Your own damn girl told me you a fucking lame. Money rules everything, nigga, let's get it. I'm focused on my future, I ain't thinking about no bitches. Paper chasing nigga like Kane, I'm a menace, so I gotta keep a bag, cause I'm all about my business. Work, make the work, then your bag flip. Twerk, on it, twerk, bring it back, bitch. Show me that your mama made a hoe, you so nasty. Got him tryna catch my drip, all of this fashion. Baby real rolling off the pill and it's spazzing. All of this cash in the air, we imagine. Start to see my dreams on.
So this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. If you recreate this, tag me, DM me, snap me, let me know. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm also thinking about doing what I did on this wall to this wall. Let me know what you guys think, or should I just do something different?
What it's gonna be? Oh, hell no. Niggas mad, I don't know what else to tell y'all. You don't grind, nigga, how you gon' eat? Oh, hell no. Nigga mad, I don't know what else to tell y'all. I've been grinding all night.
Turn your ass to a vegetable, here vegan. Them go up in Mexico, should be keysing. Slide on, push started up, it's keyless. Switch side while you wanna turn on your gas, nigga, that's trees. Ain't nothing to talk about, loaded up, top is out red.